Hi guys, welcome back to Fly High Balloons Creations. Welcome everyone. My name is Deborah. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to easily hang a neon sign using fishing line on an arch backdrop. Neon signs are a fantastic way to personalize and add flair to any event. And using fishing line gives it a clean floating look. Let's dive right into it. My neon sign comes with two of these small holes, one on each side. I am going to take my fishing line, cut a piece about 3 to 5 feet long, thread one end through the hole and tie 4 tight knots because it can slip out of its knot. Trust me guys, I had to learn this the hard way. I am going to do the same with the fishing line on the opposite side. Make sure there's enough length left in each line to reach your desired height on the backdrop. To hang the neon sign to the backdrop, I am just going to simply hang the fishing line on the spring clips attached to the backdrop. Before doing the same on the opposite side, I am going to adjust the line and tie it off, and I am going to continue to do this until I am happy with the placement. Tip guys, if your neon sign is large or heavy, add additional pieces of fishing line for extra support or use thicker fishing line. Avoid placing too much weight on the arch itself if it's not very stable. Neon signs are usually lightweight, but be cautious with heavier ones. Once your sign is positioned and secure on the backdrop, step back and make sure the sign is level. Test the scrimp by lightly tugging on the fishing line to make sure it's secure. And there you have it, a simple and stylish way to hang a neon sign on a backdrop. This is such a trendy look that's perfect for any celebration. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more party decor tips, and let me know in the comments how your setup turned out. Thanks for watching. Until next time, you guys stay blessed, and we will see you in the next video. Bye!